male dies from crash involving two bikes going in the same direction. Gunmen attack police in Tivoli Gardens. Man found dead at Ocheria's house. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 23-year-old Kimisha Myers of Bluefields in Westmoreland died as a result of injuries she sustained in a motor vehicle collision on the Belmont Main Road in the parish on Sunday, July 23rd. Reports from the Bluefields police are that about 3:40 a.m., two motorcycles, a grey Cobra CG200 and a Champion 150, were traveling in the same direction on the roadway when they collided after both drivers lost control of the units. All four persons who were traveling on the bikes were flung from the motorcycles and sustained several injuries. They were taken to hospital where Myers, who was a pillion on the Cobra motorcycle, was pronounced dead. The others were admitted for treatment. The police are continuing to investigate the incident. A police team on patrol in Tivoli Gardens, Kingston, on Sunday was reportedly attacked by gunmen who managed to escape. The cops, who are attached to the Kingston Western Police Division, were reportedly in Jackett's Place area of the community when they saw two men acting in a suspicious manner. More details to come following further investigations. Police in St. Anne are seeking the public's assistance in identifying a man's body that was found in a house along Main Street, Ocherias, in the parish on Sunday. The body is of dark complexion, medium build, and appears to be in its 70s. It was clad in a dark blue shirt and black and white underwear, the police stated.